If you're thinking about home surveillance, whether it's for serious security concerns or just to keep an eye on kids, pets, and deliveries, you're probably looking at cameras and video doorbells. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com for Best Buy Canada's blog, and I recently had a chance to install 2 devices from Toucan Smart Home in my house. There's the Toucan Wireless Video Doorbell here and the Toucan Wireless Outdoor and Indoor Camera. How well do they work? What can they do? And how's the video quality and the battery life? I will dig into all of it in this review. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give us a sub, because it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Let's look at each product and what it promises. The wireless outdoor camera is a small and fully wireless outdoor camera designed to let you keep an eye on your property using Wi-Fi through the Toucan app. You can do it from inside the house or across the country. It's weatherproof with an IP56 rating and has magnetic mounting for easy positioning, plus it offers 1080p HD video. It can also be used indoors if you want. The Toucan Wireless Video Doorbell and Chime combo is an app-connected, remote wireless and Wi-Fi connected doorbell setup with an included chime. The battery-powered chime is designed to be an audible alert, so you can hear that someone's at your door even if your phone isn't handy. This doorbell is quite compact compared to some others, and it has HD resolution, plus a 180-degree field of view so you can see all around your door, and it runs on a built-in rechargeable battery. Both of these devices are run through the Toucan app, which lets you see, manage, and view alerts or motion all in one place. You can get push notifications about rings or motion and go back and look at footage. Important to mention is that you do need a cloud recording plan if you want to access videos beyond the last 24 hours. More on that in a second. There's also no hub or base station required with these 2 devices. I was pleasantly surprised at how quick and easy the setup was. After first downloading the Toucan app and signing up for an account, I clicked Add Device and followed the prompts inside the app. After connecting to my home's Wi-Fi, I was ready to go on each device in about a minute. When someone rings the doorbell or if motion is detected even without a ring, the Toucan doorbell will instantly notify you on your smartphone that someone is there. With the 2-way talk function, you can see and speak to that person from anywhere, your home office or even across the country. No one ever needs to know that you're not home. Plus, with cloud recording, you can access videos of every visit as well. When the camera detects motion, you'll get an alert so you can pull up the feed or peek out the window if you're home. It's a great way to keep eyes on your kids or your pets or any work going on at your home. If I have any complaints about using these devices, it's that using the app to review footage isn't intuitive. If you're looking at footage from a specific day and you click on one of the events in the timeline, when you're done, the app boots you back to the calendar list of recordings, forcing you to go back, reselect your date again, and then search again for the video you're trying to locate. In truth, it's pretty tedious. Also, all of the videos do take some time to load, so it might look like you have only a few video interactions on a given day, but if you pull down on the event list, more videos will pop up. Now, I trust this will be an easy fix for Toucan in a future app update. The HD video quality of both devices is good. It's easy to identify folks that come to the door or into your space and to talk to them too. With those recorded motion alerts, you can easily look back at people approaching your cameras even if they don't ring the bell. In order to take a look at your videos, you will need one of Toucan's cloud recording plans. There is a free plan, and that one lets you look at videos made only within the last 24 hours. The Pro plan is the next one up in the tier, and that's about $3 US per month. That gives you 7 days worth of cloud storage and access. The Elite plan lets you access your videos for up to 90 days. Now, my personal experience has been that I'm usually only accessing videos that are a day or 2 old, but you'll have to give some thought to how you plan to use your cameras. Is someone skulking around your house at night? Your doorbell can act as a sentry, sending a motion alert and recording that interaction. The nighttime video is night vision, so you can really see quite well. Okay, what about battery life? Toucan tells me the expected battery life depends on how often the devices are used and how much motion is being detected or how much video is being captured. It's estimated to be about 6 weeks up to 6 months. And yes, that is a pretty wide gamut. My doorbell has been in place for about 4 weeks now, and it still shows the battery as completely full. The camera, on the other hand, was a different story. I fully charged it and installed it outside, and it was dead in about a week and a half. Thinking that was a glitch, I recharged it and then put it back. This time, it was dead inside a week. I reached out to Toucan to ask about this, and they said if there's a lot of motion, it does drain the battery faster. And between me and my husband and our dogs out in the yard daily, well, that kind of makes sense. Even so, a week is a pretty short run. So I charged it fully again and let the camera sit in an area with no motion just to test this theory. That seemed to fix the draining issue. So the bottom line is you'll either need to find a place for this camera that doesn't get too much action or expect to recharge it quite frequently. For added security, there's an audible siren. You do have to turn it on manually inside the app, and I will add it's not piercingly loud.
Hello, who is it?
Similarly, you can use the embedded pre-recorded messages to answer your door as well.
Found the parcel here.
Toucan smart home cameras and doorbells are compatible with your smart home digital assistants like Alexa and Google, in particular ones with a screen like the Amazon Echo Show 8 or the Google Home Hub Max. By enabling the skill in the Alexa app or connecting Toucan to your Google Home, you can ask your assistant to show me the backyard, and you should get a perfect live video feed of your camera. Once your Toucan account is linked with your assistant of choice, you should be ready. I was able to view my cameras just by asking, but using the Echo Show at least, I wasn't able to use the talkback function. Overall, this camera duo is a great option to add video surveillance to your home. The doorbell lets you watch for deliveries and check in on when the kids get home or when they leave. The camera can cover other spots on your property like the backyard with its wide-angle HD video. Downsides? Well, as I mentioned, reviewing the footage isn't easy. You also have to pay for cloud recording if you want to look at videos beyond 24 hours old. The battery life in the camera also concerns me. You can make the motion alerts less sensitive, but for me the battery didn't last beyond about a week. But if you're looking for good quality video and coverage at a substantially lower price than other competitors, this is a pretty good system. If you want to read more, head over to blog.bestbuy.ca where we've posted a full write-up, and you can ask us any questions you have about these cameras either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also reach me through Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.